Howdy everyone. Hey, so we started in the B6 at the Broadstone Sora in their medium level finish out, and that was in part one. Now we're going to go to the bedrooms in part two and the bathroom so you can see it. So here's one of the bathrooms right here. It's really cute. You can see it. It's got the looks like granite finish out with the countertops. Real pretty mirror, and then you do have a walk-in shower. Very, very nice. Love seeing that walk-in shower. So that's super nice. I'm walking into one of the bedrooms here, and this is what it looks like. There's the windows are closed, but this is a lot of windows. This is a lot of light that could be let in at any time. So you're going to have plenty of light in here. This is probably, I'm guessing 12 by 14 maybe. So this is what it looks like. There is carpet in here. The carpet does look very nice, but there is carpet. And then this is what the rest looks like. There's a closet, by the way, right there. So that's one of the bedrooms. Let's now go into the second. So here's the second bedroom. And this is going to have its own bathroom, by the way. So I would call this the master. You're going to have, it's a nice feel in here. And they do have the windows open here so you can see what this looks like. But again, it does have its own bathroom. So let's go explore that bathroom real quick and take a look. Very nice to see this. Let's get some light. And oh gosh, dual sinks. Okay, love the dual sinks. This is awesome. Looks great and beautiful, beautiful feel in here. This is the shower area and then the closet. So the closet is pretty good on the size. Wow, definitely a nice size closet. You walk in, there's a lot of storage in here. So pretty good size closet. I do like this a lot. So good finish out. Again, this is the medium level finish out that's here. And it's nice to me. There are 3 levels of finish out. And that's one thing you need to make sure you understand when you're getting one of the floor plans here. So that's why if you see, when you see this, send me a text. I'll get you that information on which level finish out you're looking at and which that you want and those kind of things. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this. We've got some additional videos we've already recorded. Definitely look at those and reach out anytime on text. I can't wait to help you find your perfect apartment in the uptown Dallas or Houston area.